This video is an attempt to describe and show a problem with spare lamps for all of our projectors installed at the Rio Grande campus classrooms, which is part of the Austin Community College District.
And the problem that we're finding is that the spare lamp that we had purchased from Pure Land Supply is not fitting properly or at all into the Hitachi CPA 200 projector, which has a short throw lens. And so we'll go ahead and take out the the lamp from the box, and we'll place it next to the original lamp that came out of the projector, which is on the left. Alright, let the focus set here for a little bit. Okay. So visually, the Pure Land lamp has a little tag on it, barcode tag, and that could be one way we can distinguish the projector lamp from the original lamp. So the one on the right is the Pure Land lamp. Can you show the little label on the lamp? There it is. And the one on the left is the original lamp. The problem that we think is happening is that on the pins that meet up with the other side of the pin in the projector chassis is not fitting. It's a little hard to distinguish right now. I will try to get a close-up shot of the pins and after we demonstrate how it doesn't fit. But that seems to be the problem, that the pins are not quite the same size and the spacing around the pins is not the same. So that's the original and that is the spare from Pure Land, and that seems to be the problem. What we're going to do is go ahead and cut to the projector and show you the problem that we're having. Okay, here we are at the Hitachi CPA 200 short throw lens, and here's the Pure Land spare lamp. Zoom into that just a little bit, and now we will try to fit it into the chassis. And the only way that I can describe it is that to try to fit it in it seems like you really have to force it, and it gives one the impression that something's going to break. And it just does not fit. That's the Pure Land spare lamp. We will now show you the original lamp. This is the original lamp. And there it is. Okay, let's try it. It's that simple. No forcing whatsoever. And that's that. So again, the Pure Land spare lamp is right here on the left, and the original is on the right. So again, we think that the problem with the lamp not fitting, it has to do with the pin, and I'll see if we can show you a little bit more about that. Can you point to the, so right there, that seems to be the problem. That seems to be a little bit thicker than the original lamp pin, and then also the space, we think somehow slightly, what would you say, Marcus?
The space between the pin and the outside of the connector, like this one is smaller. It seems smaller than the original lamp.
And so there we have it. And the scale of the problem is that we have a number of projectors here in the building, at least 5, and when these lamps burn out, we are running very short on the life expectancy of the original lamp, so we could really appreciate some spare lamps.